Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger and this is a very special video for me. Today we hit the 1000 subscribers and from my heart, thank you for everyone that subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it so much. And I will just make this a pretty short video where I say thank you and I will show some of the history of this channel. So let's have a look. This is just a fraction of all the builds I've made through my last 3 years as a YouTuber. It actually started almost exactly 3 years ago with all these sound panels, and it was at a time where I actually didn't know. I just wanted to make a YouTube video just for fun, and it caught me. I got hooked and I actually had very much fun doing it. So it ended up with a very bad YouTube video of me stuttering through the whole video. It is actually one of my second most successful video. The most successful is my tabletop TV monitor. And I was stunned that it has over 60,000 views. I didn't even expect that. So thank you very much for all those views on that single video. From here on, it just went very fast. I got into 3D printing with resin, laser cutting. I even got a new chair. I made a video about that. And this journey has been so exciting for me and I have so much fun doing these builds. I actually started out streaming on Twitch. So on Twitch, I play the game Valorant and I have 3D printed some Valorant miniatures. And then I paint them on stream and I give it away to some of my subscribers. But as a celebration for the 1000 subs, I am going to make a live stream on YouTube and we are going to paint this beast. It's a photon dragon from Loot Studios. I already primed it and gave it a Cinefil highlight. And I think in a very near future, we are going to celebrate this with a live stream. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I know it was short and it is a celebration video for my 1000 subs. I didn't expect that. So thank you everyone and I will see you soon with some new builds. Goodbye for now.